Hello everyone, this is Lamin Sani of LSWAT apps, and in today's tutorial series we're going to take a look at how to create a file upload system with Laravel 5. Okay, so I've gone ahead and created Laravel 5 in a folder called Laravel5 upload.dev. So I'll just do a print working directory, and as you can see, we're in this current folder here, and I've gone ahead and created a virtual host for that so we can load that in the browser, and that points to the public folder for our Laravel installation. Okay, so just to give you a quick setup, if you can install Laravel 5, this is the command that you need to run: composer, create project, prefer dist, and then Laravel5/Laravel5, and then you give it the name of the folder you want to install Laravel in. I've done that in a couple of series I've done before previously, not long ago, so I wouldn't cover that again. So next up, we've loaded Laravel 5 into our text editor. In this case, I'm using Atom, and first thing that we need to do is configure Laravel 5 so we have access to some HTML helpers, and those helpers are not readily available in Laravel 5, so we're gonna have to install them. So let's do our composer require, and the package is Laravel collective. Okay, so we're gonna do Laravel collective /HTML. So we'll just wait that to finish quickly. Okay, so now that that Laravel collective /HTML package is installed, let's go to our application and configure that. So come into config /app here and scroll down to the providers array section, and last at the end, just add there this provider there, so it lives in the namespace collective HTML service provider, and then : class. So next, what you need to do is scroll down to the arrays alias here and put in some form helpers, and I've just quickly pasted that in, so you don't watch me type it, and they live in collective HTML form facade and HTML facade class respectively. Okay, so next let's create a view which is going to contain our upload form itself. Okay, so let's go into our resources folder here, and let's create a folder called files inside of views. So we'll do that, say files, and next inside of files let's create a view file there called upload. So it's going to be called upload.blade.php, and in there for now let's just put in a simple h2 tag and say upload files here. Next, let's go to our routes file, which lives in app http routes.php, and in there, inside of the web middleware, let's create a simple route which just shows that view file which you created previously. So route : get, and it's going to live in the URL upload. And next parameter that we need to pass in, for now let's pass in a closure. Later we're going to pass in some controller actions, but for now let's just say function. That's another way you can handle routes. So in that function there, let's return view, which is Laravel helper, and when you give it some string, it just returns the view for that. So we're gonna return files.upload. If you remember, that's what we created previously. Next, let's create another route which handles the values that we submit in the form. So let's do route, but instead of doing a get, we're going to do a post, and it's going to be handled by a /handle upload, and it's going to be handled by a controller action called handle upload, which we haven't created yet, but we're going to do so soon. So files controller at handle upload. So let's just go to our browser now to this URL, which is upload, and see if we're gonna be seeing this HTML view here being shown. Right, so back in our browser, I'll just do /upload, and as you can see, it is showing that view which says upload files here. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this first video for this tutorial series, which is file upload for Laravel 5. And I thank you for watching. I will see you soon, and if you're excited about this and you love my previous videos on Laravel, please like and subscribe, so I'll continue making this. And until next time, I will see you soon. Cheers, bye bye.